Save area we can turn off. So these features here, if you click on the onboarding page or in the tree widget tree, you can click here and turn off the save area, and the rest of it we can leave it. Go to widgets, and the first widget we need to use is page view widget. We just drop it here, we see an image here, we can delete it, and right now we can post here anything we want to. Like, for example, we need a column, we need an image, and let's first text and second text and a button. All right, so if I click here, I choose a column. If I click here on the green button here, column, I can see placeholder, I can see page view and onboarding. So we need a page view at the moment, and we see the properties of page view at the right side. So the width is going to be infinity. If we click here, it's going to be automatically infinity. For example, I make it 12, I click here, it becomes infinity, and height also infinity. Done. See, right now the whole page view take the whole space here. And then we have like margin. We just click here and it becomes like nothing, default one, and we don't have no more like any space, free space here. Allow swipe scrolling, we can allow it, we can turn it off. I'd like to turn it off because I'm gonna show you other things. Show indicator, we keep the indicator. These things we don't need to set anything, it's gonna be in the future if we will need them, but you will understand how to use it. So yeah, and the rest is fine. So what we do right now, you go to column, we take a page view, we take an image, and we need to set up a size of an image. We can do it here if you're like pixel perfect and you have a Figma to work on, and there's like perfect pixels, like there's asking you to have like 156 pixels, for width, and for height you need like 250. Cool, you can make it. And also we can use it here if you're just playing around with it, you just can make it like that one, whatever you want. Yeah, then we have border radius. Automatically it's like locked, so whenever I write anything here, it duplicates everywhere. If I turn it off and I want this one to be 60, only here I can change it. Okay, so it's gonna be like 12. And the box fit image inside of here, if I click on box fit like this, you see like how it's changing. And yeah, so make it expandable. If I turn it off, by clicking onto the image, it's gonna be like expandable. On the whole screen you will see only image. We don't need that. And here animation, also in the future I'm gonna show how to use that. So yeah, we take the first text, is gonna be our title. It's like welcome to tour match, right? And the theme, I can change it here, welcome to tour match. Let it be like primary color, and another text is gonna be like some information. It's gonna be like subtitle too, and we write here tour match is an app where you can set dates in different countries and cities. So we have a text right now. You go down, there's a text align, we make it align center, and the button we change it to next. Next means like it's gonna scroll to the next page. So we take a column, all right? So we have like axis alignment and main axis alignment and cross axis alignment. Cross axis alignment, if you click here, you see what's happening, like you can use anything you want here. And for the main axis alignment, it's gonna be vertical alignment in the middle, in the end, the same size. Also like what's that? Space around and space between. So everything has like same padding from each other. So what I'm gonna use like start, and one more widget I'm gonna add. So I take column, I click here and write space. I add a space. So I duplicate the space, I take one space and I want to put it over here, and duplicate one more space, and I wanted to put like here between the button and the text here, right? And we take this text, the middle text, because we want to add padding from this image and the text below. So from the image I'm gonna write 24, and for the text below it's gonna be like 12. Done. So we take the button and we add an action. Action means like what's gonna happen if I click on that button. So I add an action, and the action we need is control page view, and make it page view and next page. If I open it, I can go previous page, next page, the right first page, and the last page. So we need like next page. Cool. From here we just take a column, control copy column, command copy if you're on Mac, and if you're on Windows it's gonna be control C. We go to the next page, we delete this image, paste another one, paste the column we copied, and the third page view, the same thing, we just control D and everything is pasted here. But here what we need to do, we need to duplicate, control D the button. Let's add padding to one button. So we have two buttons right now. One button gonna say sign in, another button gonna say sign up, right? And we can change like a color here. I'm gonna use text color, it's gonna be primary, and fill color is gonna be primary background, and border color is gonna be like primary color. So we can like see the difference right now, where to click and so on.